Only if you just stick on to it and follow the Quran, character, conduct, it can mention everything, how to conduct yourself. So just follow the Quran and depend on the Quran. And I just want to mention you that I'm a hafiza of 56 Jews I have memorized so far. So I am also happy to inform you that. So the first time I am given. So that is you get the strength and one.
IAS آفیسر ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے یہ انکشاف کیا کہ وہ قرآن مجید کے 6 پاروں کی حافظہ ہیں۔ جی ہاں دوستو، سینئر IAS آفیسر ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے کہا کہ انہوں نے قرآن کے 6 پارے حفظ کیے ہیں۔ حال ہی میں بنگلور میں حسناتھ کالج کے گریجویشن ڈے کی تقریب سے ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے خطاب کیا۔
Facing the challenges because this is and everything from the Quran, and the namaz has always guided me. So if any issues come, I just go for 2 rakat namaz, and then that's it. It is solved. So you get that motivation, and we can tell everything here. We can open our mind. So within somehow everything falls in line. I am also surprised when you just go for the 2 rakat namaz. So that does wonders. And in as a hijabi, okay, I have faced a problem, but I think you should carry on with your religious responsibility, because Allah has guided clearly in the Quran what is supposed to be and what not to be done. If you stick to that, no problems will come. When we violate it, only we are in trouble. So always stick to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Quran. All the principles follow it, because you have your own desire. Sometimes you try to go out of that, but immediately you get the reaction that something has happened, then you just turn back. So instead of that, you just have to control your desires and just go in the right path. And I know that everybody will achieve the goal if you just stick on to it and follow the Quran, character, conduct, it can mention everything, how to conduct yourself. So just follow the Quran and depend on the Quran. And I just want to mention you that I'm a hafiza of 56 Jews I have memorized so far. So I am also happy to inform you that. So the first time I am given.
ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال فی الوقت محکمہ ہارٹیکلچر سیریکلچر حکومت کرناٹک کی سیکریٹری ہیں۔ اعلیٰ عہدے پر فائز ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے اپنی تقریر میں اسٹوڈنٹس خاص طور پر مسلم لڑکیوں کے لیے کافی قیمتی باتیں پیش کیں۔ شاملہ اقبال نے کہا کہ زندگی میں کوئی بھی چیز ناممکن نہیں ہے۔ IAS IPS ڈاکٹر انجینئر ہر عہدے تک ایک عام اسٹوڈنٹ پہنچ سکتا ہے، بشرطیے کہ کڑی محنت اور پوری توجہ کے ساتھ تعلیم حاصل کی جائے۔ شاملہ اقبال نے مسلم لڑکیوں سے کہا کہ تعلیم کی راہ میں کئی رکاوٹیں آئیں گی، کئی مسائل و مشکلات آئیں گے۔ انہوں نے کہا کہ وہ خود بھی حجاب اور دیگر مسائل سے گزر چکی ہیں، لیکن اس کے باوجود مذہب کے احکامات کی پابندی کرتے ہوئے انہوں نے تعلیم حاصل کی، UPSC کے امتحان میں کامیابی حاصل کی۔ ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے کہا کہ ریلیجیس ریسپانسبلٹی، مذہبی ذمہ داری سے پیچھے نہ ہٹیں۔ ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے کہا کہ وہ اپنے اسٹوڈنٹ لائف میں پڑھائی کے ساتھ نماز کی پابندی، قرآن کا مطالعہ کرتی ہوئی آئی ہیں۔ نماز اور قرآن کے کیا فائدے ہیں، اس پر روشنی ڈالتے ہوئے ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے کہا کہ انہوں نے قرآن مجید کے 6 پارے حفظ کیے ہیں۔ کیرلا سے تعلق رکھنے والی اس خاتون IAS آفیسر نے تمام اسٹوڈنٹس کو مشورہ دیا کہ وہ اپنی ریلیجیس ریسپانسبلٹی، مذہبی ذمہ داری سے پیچھے نہ ہٹیں۔ اپنی خود کی مثال پیش کرتے ہوئے ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے کہا کہ جب بھی وہ کسی پریشانی یا دباؤ میں ہوتی ہیں تو اللہ تعالیٰ سے رجوع ہو کر 2 رکعت نماز ادا کرتی ہیں۔ اس طرح اپنی تقریر میں ڈاکٹر شاملہ اقبال نے اسٹوڈنٹس کو کئی نصیحتیں، کئی قیمتی باتیں بتائیں، اور اس موقع پر آپ نے جنوبی ہند نیوز سے خاص گفتگو کی۔ جنوبی ہند نیوز رپورٹ۔ क्या एक पैगाम आप देना चाह रहे हैं?
See, today I was able to interact with the girls of this college, and I was really impressed by the capabilities and the training they have been given by the management. And my mm, my advice to them is that they should not be demotivated in life, and they should face all the challenges, and they should have a goal in life and come up in life, because education is a system now how we can come up in life. So if you are not able to um, come into the forefront through the education system, then it will be very difficult to come up in life as well. And this college has given you the guidance. And if the Muslim girls, if they are ready to come up and then face the challenges in life, and they should do hard work is the motto now. So without that we cannot be able to reach the heights that we need to do.
You mentioned here family support should be, cooperation should be there, especially for girls, for their education and higher studies.
Yeah, because without family, so because we cannot go against the family system. The family is what supports us, because when we are in different stages of life, we will face different challenges, and if the family doesn't support us at the crucial stage, then we will be left behind. We cannot fight with the family and then achieve our goal. So we should try to convince them and then bring them to to our path, or just have a compromise situation and then go ahead in life. So the Muslim girls, what advice is that they should not look back on being a Muslim, and you are economically backward. There are several opportunities that is given by the government as well as in the private and the NGOs. So they should tap this potential. There are scholarships being given, so you should come out of what is that, the hole that you are in, and then face the world and get to interact with the people, so you'll know what are the opportunities in your life, in the career opportunities. There are several counseling sessions are there. If you know which are the career that you are interested in, that you should pursue.
So last message about character, you also
The character is really very important.
Namaz, you also
Yeah.
advise girls.
Yeah, these girls, not only girls but everyone in that respect, because the Quran has given clearly the guidelines on what should be your character, how to deal with each and every situation. If you go to the meaning of the Quran and then you try to understand the message that the Quran wants to convey to us, then we will know that every aspect of your life is covered, how to deal with each and every situation it is mentioned. So once you study that, and if you 100% without any single deviation you follow that, no, you will be in the right path. But because of your some desires and some pressure from other sides which tend to deviate sometimes, and then you are faced with the music, then you will have to face so several issues. Then you have to take our time to resolve those issues. But if you follow this Quranic message and go in that path, then you have time to spend for your own achievements and your success and your studies. You have more time. You will get focus on your work. And if you face any challenges also, you can just go back to the Quran and then get back. But your Quran interpretation should be correct. In the
You also
way.
took inspiration from Quran when you are studying, or
I was just like, whenever I am in trouble, I go back to the Quran, especially during the service period. And whenever I face challenges, I just do 2 rakat of namaz, and then some miracle happens and everything is resolved. That is a faith I have in
you
the
are also
Quran.
doing hifz, or you completed
No, I'm
some
just doing
paras?
I'm doing the hifz, and 6 Jews I am over, alhamdulillah. So I just plan to complete it, but because of the paucity of time, maybe just slow down a bit. When you are in a important position, then you tend to get less time. So, but I think the hifz of the Quran has helped me more than anything else. What I have found out, because hifz is protection, right? So when you have learned the Quran, that the protection, we feel the protection whenever you are in any situation. So whenever you are in a situation, you say that this is not the right position. This is not the right way to deal. So naturally, automatically, some guidance comes. So that once you learn the Quran with meaning and understand, and then do the hifz, only will come to know the effect on you. Till that time, even I also was not aware of that. But once I started the hifz, and then my ability to concentrate, my ability to understand the situation, and ability to deal with the people, and even the Quran and the Hadith says, no, like even if you cannot help a person, just be good to them, talk good, smile at them. So, so if you just follow that itself, that is enough to deal with several situations, and you try to help people wherever you can, and not because all are struggling in life. So if whenever you get a chance, try to help people, and then follow the dictates of the Quran of honesty, integrity, hard work, everything is mentioned. Good conduct, and the person with the best character is the best person, and they land in Jannah is what is mentioned by Muhammad Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So I think that if you study the Quran and the Hadith and follow in ditto, then no way you will face any problem. But any deviation, then you will land in trouble. That is. But I am really impressed by after learning and doing the hifz really changed me. That is that I have to say. And if any problem, no, that protects you, and suddenly that comes up. Yeah, this is the way you have to deal with the situation. So